All right, I am in sunny, hot, humid Florida, and I am looking for a hat to protect my head from the sun, as well as be kind of cool and fit this ginormous head. Will this do it? What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda out here in the hot Florida summer, and I didn't have much choice because I wanted to see the Blue Angels, and this is where they are, but wanted a hat to protect myself. And I have seen these athletic hats with thin material, vented, but they generally don't fit me because I have this giant head. But what you can see there is this company, Mammoth Headwear, which is known for making big hats, actually makes this with that same material. You can see the big holes there, kind of the thin, light material right there. It's curved brim. And I thought I would just see if it would fit this giant dome. Oh my gosh, dude, not only does it fit, but it's not tight. It fits great. So one of the things that I hate about these athletic hats, these summer hats, is that they're really tight and they kind of constrict you and trap everything in there. But man, that feels so good. And if you have a head the size of a basketball, you're gonna love this. So actually, this is awesome. Hey, now let's go off and see the Blue Angels.